Students, myself Vaghmare sir. In the last lecture, we have seen about the pair of lines in which the sum of the slopes and product of the slopes as well as the auxiliary equation. Now we proceed further and we start with this angle between the pair of lines. So we know that pair of lines that is given by x square plus twice hxy plus by square is equal to 0. These are the lines. We know that this is also called the homogeneous equation of the pair of lines because degree of each term is 2. Here x square has power 2. Here x has power 1 and y has power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and y has power 2. Therefore, it is called the homogeneous equation of degree 2 also. And it is the equation of the pair of lines passing through the origin. And we have already seen in the first lecture ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gxy plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of again pair of lines, but it is passing through any point. But as you consider the equation of the lines passing through this origin means these are the lines passing through the origin L1 and L2, and these are the lines passing through any point P of xy. So these are the lines. So it is, suppose it is M1 and M2. So it is passing through the any point, but if you consider the angle between them, that is the theta, it is called the acute angle between the lines. So the acute angle between the lines that is given by the formula tan theta is equal to mod of twice square root of s square minus ab upon a plus b. So that h and ab that you know here, that is a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of y square, and this h is the coefficient of xy. Sometimes the equations that is the equation is not in this form. The separately slopes of the lines are given. So slope of the first line that is considered to be m1 and slope of the second line considered to be m2. In that case, to find the acute angle between the lines, that is theta, this formula to be used, tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is about the acute angle between the lines. But sometimes the conditions are applied there, sometimes the lines are parallel, like this, lines are parallel. So what is the angle between these two lines? So angle between these two lines, that is considered theta is equal to 0 degrees. So what is the condition for such type of lines if the lines are parallel? So here the condition is obtained. The lines are parallel or coinciding if and only if s square minus ab is equal to 0. And lines are perpendicular like this. This is the one of the line and the angle between them is of 90 degrees. So what is the condition? That the lines are perpendicular if a plus b is equal to 0, that is the sum of the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square is equal to 0. These are the two conditions. Again there is a third condition also. The lines are called intersecting lines if and only if s square minus ab is not equal to 0, that we consider afterward. So only these are the conditions from this formula here. So we take the particular problem on this acute angle formula. Find the acute angle between the lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. So given pair of lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. Again, we don't write there compare with the general equation. Now we are very familiar with that general equation. Therefore, we can directly write value of A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, twice H is equal to minus 4. This implies H is equal to minus 2. And therefore, acute angle theta between the lines, that is obtained by this formula, tan theta is equal to mod of twice square root of a square minus ab upon a plus b. That formula is taken here. So we put the values here. Mod of twice square root of your h is minus 2, that is s square becomes minus 2 square minus a is 1 and b is 1 divided by a plus b, that is 1 plus 1. Simplify it. This is 2 into square root of 4 minus 1 divided by 2, a plus b, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. So here 2 gets cancelled and you will get square root of 4 minus 1 is directly we can write square root of 3. So that is tan theta is equal to, this tan theta is equal to root 3. This means that as the tan theta is equal to root 3, so value of this theta, that is acute angle, is equal to 60 degrees. So in this way we can find the acute angle between them. Then we come to the next problem here. Find the acute angle between the lines xy plus y square is equal to 0. Here again this represent the pair of lines, but it is not in the proper form. So given pair of lines xy plus y square is equal to 0. Again comparing with the general equation, you will get as the term in x square is absent, therefore you will get a is equal to 0. This is y square coefficient, that is b is equal to 1, and here xy coefficient twice h, here twice h is equal to 1, this implies h is equal to 1 by 2. So again acute angle, that is theta between the lines, that is tan theta is equal to mod of twice square root of s square minus ab upon a plus b. We can use the same formula. We put the values, 2 into value of h, that is 1 by 2 whole square minus a is 0 and b is 1. A is 0 plus b is 1, so it is 0 plus 1. Simplifying it, you will get 2 into square root of 1 by 4 minus 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and that is 2 into square root of 1 by 4, directly we can take it, 1 by 4 minus 0 is 1 by 4, and it is 1 by 2, 1 is not written here in the denominator, 2 gets cancelled, and finally you will get the value of tan theta is 1. So in this way you will get tan theta, value of tan theta is 1. Now we want to determine the acute angle. As you know that tan 45 is 1, tan 45 is 1, naturally theta will be pi by 4 radians, or it is written by 45 degrees. So in this way we can apply this formula for the acute angle between the pair of lines. Now these are examples for you for homework. So on the same formula you can solve this these problems, and to find the acute angle between the lines x square plus xy is equal to 0. Second example is that 3x square plus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. 2x square minus 6y plus y square is equal to 0. In the next lecture we use the same formula for this pair of lines passing through the AB point. We stop here. Thank you.